Hello YouTube and welcome to a new Techsloth video. Today is the big Samsung Galaxy Note 10 launch day, and for the first time ever we see two Note devices. A normal Note 10 with 6.3 inch and a Note 10 Plus with 6.8 inches. There are a lot of differences between those devices, but first of all the price. The normal device with 256 GB of storage costs here in Germany 950 euros. And the Plus version with the same size of storage costs 150 euros more. There's also a 5G version or a maxed out 512 GB version without 5G, which costs 1200 euros. There are four different colors, but you only get two colors, the Aurora Glow and Aurora Black color on both devices. Aurora Pink is only for the normal version, Aurora White is only for the Plus version. To the other differences, we got 8 GB of RAM on the normal version, 12 GB on the bigger version. On cameras, mostly the same 10 megapixel front-facing camera, main 12 megapixel camera on the back side with an aperture between 1.5 and 2.4 depending on your lighting conditions, a 60 megapixel wide-angle camera and another 12 megapixel camera for the zoom. 2 times optical zoom. The zoom and the normal camera got also OIS. Both can record 4K video 60 frames as long as you like. Only the bigger Plus version got a micro SD slot. The smaller, the normal version does not have a micro SD or even a hybrid feature. No, both devices are available at dual versions, so dual SIM cards. What else? We got stereo speakers. There's a tiny speaker on top that you do your normal phone calls with, but if you're listening to a YouTube video, Netflix or anything like that, of course you get the stereo sound. Wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, both devices got it. Of course the battery size is different here. We got 3500 mAh on the normal sized one, 4300 mAh on the bigger one, and yes, still the S Pen or the stylus are built into the devices themselves, so this is a nice thing. Charging both devices, the bigger one can be charged with 45 watts. If you got this charger, it only comes with a 25 watts charger. The normal one does only support 25 watt charging. Both got, of course, IP68, water resistance, and what is the thing that both are missing? The headphone jack. The headphone jack is gone. You get an adapter, USB Type-C to 3.5mm audio jack within the box. I guess even you get USB Type-C headsets within the Note box, so this is nice as well. And talking, I've already explained the camera. The new Exynos 9825 is built in, or at least here in Europe. It's more or less the same than on the S10 series, but the 9820 was an 8nm chip. The new 9825 is a 7nm chip, which is nice. So this is something where I hope a lot for more battery life. So we got building quality, nice looking devices, but the volume buttons and the on-off button are now located on the left side, and the Bixby button is gone. No more Bixby button. We got a fingerprint scanner in display, ultrasonic. So hardware, I've explained it to this. The normal one got 8 GB of RAM, the bigger one 12 GB of RAM, and I'm thinking, why would you ever need 12 GB of RAM in a smartphone? Maybe if you want to use it with DeX, wirelessly with DeX, but or you want to open 200 Chrome tabs at the same time on your smartphone. So this is it. It's available. They will be in the late August. Prices I've already mentioned, colors as well. So what they can do, how they will last in a normal day. I think the main factor here will again be battery life, camera quality, and that's it. Maybe the stylus features. Of course the stylus, again, still stylus is on board. You get some new features. You got some Harry Potter features, just like Legadio Videosa, where you can change between different camera settings. You can change between the front and the backside camera, and you even can zoom in just by doing some gestures with the S Pen. Do I think that it will be practical? Not really, but we will see. But first impression of the device is really nice. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.